Hello, good evening. I'm Joy Alta, and in this brief video, I'll just explain in very simple terms what BGA means and how to plot it on your chart. Alright, so BGA means blue gold aura. And this is kind of a brand name for the person who actually derived this method of knowing reversal patterns and where to place your trades for only volatility indices. So this blue gold aura can be used on just volatility indices. Now take note of this BGA 1, half, Q2 and whole, right? So this is an example. For instance, you pick a number. Now on our chart we'll be using VIX 10 for this example, right? And we'll be using the range between 6,000 to 7,000. So that's what we'll be using here. We use $3 to $4. Now if we are using $6,000, I mean 6,000 as the price, this is the range basically. Now this Q1 will be 6,200, the Q half will be 6,500, and then the Q2, which is 80%, will be 6,800, and the whole number will be 7,000. Now this is how to get the settings. Now look at the settings here. The whole number, which will be 7,000, will be red. We use a red horizontal line to indicate that whole number. The Q1 will use a gray number. The Q1 will be 6,200. Now the half we used blue horizontal line 65, and the Q2, which is 68, will use a gray horizontal number. All right, so that's what it is. And note that this BGA number should be used with this Fibonacci retracement tool, and you should have a good knowledge of candle patterns. Like when you see a candle pattern, know what it means on the daily time frame. If it's reversing, so that's where you use these BGA numbers with. So you're using it with a Fibonacci retracement tool to ensure that you get a good you get a good entry. Use it with a Fibonacci retracement tool and candle pattern, reversal pattern. So let's get straight on our chart. So I'll show you how to get this on your chart and how to see if this thing is really working or not. So let's go. At least I forgot, before going onto our chart, this is what we follow basically. Now the step one, we need to mark the BGA whole and half numbers. So the whole number will be 7,000, while the half will be 6,500 on the daily time frame, above and below the current price. So it should be like this. So if this is the current market price, right? Now the 7,000 should be above and 6,500 should be below. Do you understand? So let's get on the chart right now. So let me just show you. So this is it. 7,000 is above. This is where the current price is. Then the half is below 6,500 here. So this is it. Do you understand? Yeah. You understand? Yeah. So this is what it is. Then this Q2, like I said before, this Q2, which is 80%, is 6,800. And the Q1 is 20%, 6,200. And this is the the basic number, the range. This is 6,000 to 7,000. That is the range. Now, sorry, I'm so sorry. We're supposed to do this on 24-hour time frame so it can be more clear. If you are doing this, do it on a 24-hour time frame. It's still the same thing basically. It's the same thing, so you can see. Now after we've done this, let's go back to see what we should do. So now you can see they said we should go down to 4-hour time frame to see the number that is being approached. Alright, so we'll do that. Then you check the left side to see if price has bounced off that area before. If price did bounce off for at least 3 times, then that's a good area. And on 1-hour time frame, mark the BGA 20. We've marked this already. You would have then mark this as your potential reversal zone. We shall call this zone the snipping zone. Do you understand? Let me just explain something very fast. So now let me explain something very fast before we get on the chart, like this. And if price goes here, it comes down, then moves, goes here, comes down, then moves, goes here, comes down. And this is a BGA number, for example. This zone here now where it bounced off like about 3 times is called the snipping zone. You understand? This place is called the snipping zone, according to just what we read right now. Yeah. So mark mark this as your potential reversal zone. We shall call this the snipping zone. Know that price can sometimes tap and reverse at a BGA hole or half on daily time frame without extending a stop bump inside. Let's go on our chart and see. Let's go on our chart. So now we've moved to 4 hour time frame. We've moved to 4 hour time frame. So we'll move to the left to see. We'll move to the left to see. Okay, now this is the half. Take a look at this now. This is the BGA half. It came down, it bounced here, and it moved straight up. It moved straight up to this place, right? You see? Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Look at this place now. It made so much range in here, and it still went up. Let's keep moving. 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 Right. Let's keep. And something you should take note of with this BGA number, if it goes from like this place right here, where it moved from this half here. Let me use past stuff to explain. Now you see, from this place, when it reversed down here, it would not stop. Even if it ranges and ranges, it must come to this place. This should be your TP. This should be your TP. And before you can take a trade from any of these BGA numbers, remember I said you will use it in conjunction with your Fibonacci retracement tool and your candle patterns. Now check. Look at this. Look at this pattern right here. See, the pin bar, then it went down. So with this kind of pattern, then you can just move to 1 hour time frame, then put your retracement tool here. Let's see it. Let's move to a smaller time frame. Let's move to a smaller time frame and see if it works there. Smaller time frame. Where was I? Was it here? Oh, like I've missed this thing already. Okay, let me scroll down here. Let me scroll here a bit. Let's see. Okay, I've missed that place already. I've missed it. Now from this half, let's see. Let's use this Fibonacci stuff here and see. Don't know if you can see this clearly. Let me just do the settings first. So now we're on the 4 hour time frame, and we use this Fibonacci tool right here. You see these numbers, 0.62, 0.7 and 0.705 are called the golden numbers basically. And if it comes here and retraces and it gives this rejection after hitting this BGA number here, and it comes here and retraces, it gives that rejection, boom, then you can start buying. So the candle pattern, BGA number and retracement tool. So those are the 3 things you should be using. So let's go back and see. You can see it bounced off here. It keeps bouncing off. Half it bounced off. So you can keep going to the left and see it keeps bouncing off. So let's see what they said. Okay, at least I forget. If you want to use this on a smaller time frame, what you should do is divide these BGA numbers by 10. Now for instance, this is 6,200 and this is 6,500. You look for the difference between 6,500 and 6,200, and difference between those two numbers are 300. Now you gotten 300. Now 300 divided by 10 is equal to 30. Now what you do simply is 6,230. The next one will be plus 30 to 6,260. So you keep going like that. So that's how you plot it. So with this simple explanation, this is how you use the BGA. Remember, you use BGA with your fib and your candle pattern. Those are the 3 things you use. So this is just basically what it is. All right, so thank you very much.